Good morning, yoga girl. I'm so lost without you.
Good morning, people. People of the Philippines.
People of the Philippines. Good morning, people of the Philippines.
Good morning, Kaki.
Good morning, Kaki.
Good morning, Kaki.
People of the Philippines.
Ay, ang baby ko.
If you are a Filipino, I am a Filipino too. That's why I'm saying good morning, Philippines. Sabay ka na, ano?
Ang bigat-bigat ng baby niya.
Ay, Pogi. Ay, Pogi. Pogi, Pogi, Pogi. Pogi, Pogi, Pogi. How are you, Pogi? Huh? How are you, Pogi, Pogi, Pogi? How are you? How are you, Pogi, Pogi? Ah, Pogi, how are you? How are you, Pogi?